Hi guys, my name is Daniel and I'm a second year Computer Information Systems student, and in this video I'm going to discuss one of the core features of Bangor's online communication system, which is Microsoft Teams. Now Microsoft Teams, or just Teams for short, is a platform which we've made a lot of use out of during the coronavirus pandemic. Now within Microsoft Teams are lots of virtual groups or teams that are set up for various different things. So for an example, I'm in a team for a department called Technocamps, which I'm an intern and a volunteer with. And I'm also in Teams for our Welcome Week committee, which I'm a part of as one of my academic school's senior peer guides. There may also be teams for other things as well, such as clubs and societies. Now, please bear in mind that in this video you will see that I'm enrolled on some teams which are associated with my modules. However, please bear in mind that module content will now be predominantly shared via Blackboard Collaborate and not Microsoft Teams. So what we're going to do now is take a look at some of the key features that are associated with Microsoft Teams. So running alongside the left-hand side of the screen are a series of different menus, and we'll go through each one in turn to demonstrate how these can be useful to you when you are using Microsoft Teams. Now the activity menu will display your most recent activity. So it will display all of the activity that has been occurring in your chat rooms and teams that you're a part of. You can tailor the list to show your specific activity or the feed from others. Selecting on a message from the list will take you directly to the message that it relates to. The chat menu displays all of the different chats that you're a part of. As you begin conversations with lecturers or fellow students, they will appear in this list so that you can access them quickly. The list will be displayed along the left side of the screen. You are able to filter the list via your most recent contacts or by your contacts in general. Selecting a chat will display the chat window on the right, where you'll be able to begin conversations with people via either text, voice or video chat. You can also share your screen if you'd like to show what you're working on to a lecturer, for example. Meeting chats and group chats will also appear in this list. The Teams menu will display a full list of the teams that you're a part of. And if you select a specific team icon, it will launch you into that team's dashboard. It is from here that you can access everything that's part of that team. So running along the left-hand side of the screen are the different team channels. In this specific team, we only have one channel, which is the general channel. However, it is possible to split the team up into multiple channels so that you can separate out the content. The general channel is one that almost everyone can access, but as I said, there may be other channels which will break up the content of the team. When you select a channel, it will launch the Posts window, where you are able to post messages, schedule meetings for everybody to see. Like with the chat section, you are able to begin text, voice or video chats with specific members of the team. So if I highlight over a person's name, you can see that I can begin a video or voice or text conversation with that person. And I can also begin a meeting with the entire team by clicking on the Meet button in the top right-hand corner. As well as the various team-specific posts, which are found under the Posts menu, you can also find a list of the various files that have been uploaded by different team members by clicking on the Files tab. You will see a full list of the team's files located here, as well as who has uploaded that specific file. Clicking on the file will access it, and you are also able to download it. The Assignments menu is where you may find some module assignment information. However, as Teams will not be used for this facility, assignment information will mainly be available through Blackboard Collaborate. The Calendar menu is where you'll be able to find everything that you have scheduled that you need to attend. You can also schedule meetings yourself from here by using the New Meeting button. All meetings, events and lectures that you're a part of will also be displayed here, and it can also be used to view your timetable. If I go back to February this year, when lectures were being held, you will be able to see that all of my week's lectures and labs are displayed in this list. Each specific tile displays the module code, the location of the lecture, as well as who is hosting the lecture and the time that the lecture is taking place. The calls menu is where you can find a call log of all of the calls that you've had recently, and it will also allow you to quickly access frequently contacted people so that you can call them up quickly if necessary. You can see that the job title and status of the frequently contacted people are displayed next to their name. You also have the option of hosting a voice or video conversation with that contact. Your contacts, call history, and voicemail are also all displayed in this list. The Files menu is where you're able to quickly access all of the files that are located across all of the teams that you're a part of. Files that are on Teams will also be linked to your OneDrive account, where you'll also be able to download them and access them on your device. It's possible to adjust settings within Microsoft Teams by selecting your profile picture in the top right-hand corner. This will allow you to change your status or any settings as required. Your status will automatically update during calls or when you're inactive over a prolonged period of time. Please bear in mind that it is recommended that you download the Microsoft Teams app, as this will allow you quick access to your various teams even whilst you're away from your PC or laptop. I hope that this video has helped give you a brief introduction to Microsoft Teams. If you have any questions about Microsoft Teams and how it works, please don't hesitate to ask your peer guide team or ask the staff within your academic school for additional support. You can also refer to IT web pages or email the IT help desk at helpdesk@bangor.ac.uk. Thank you.